Now we are keeping an eye on some storm chances headed toward North Texas. Aaron Moran, I was in a pickle when I saw your promo that Monday is a first alert weather day.
Yeah, you know, and it's really rare that we can call it that many days out, but we've been seeing the trends for the last couple of days, so we did go ahead, issue that first alert weather day for Monday, but the next 3 days really has quite a variety in the forecast. Tomorrow, we've got a critical fire threat, red flag warning in place for some of our western counties. Then Monday, 100% coverage for rain and storms. Severe weather is in the forecast, so first alert weather day from Monday afternoon and evening. Tuesday, we should be dry, but it is going to be cooler across North Texas. Now, here's a look at that red flag warning. Goes into effect tomorrow morning at 11 a.m., continues through 10 o'clock in the evening, and it's for all of the counties that you see highlighted in pink out to the west. Now, look at these winds. They're gusting out of the south tomorrow morning at about 15 to 20 miles an hour, and then it really picks up, especially for our western counties, as we get into the afternoon and evening. So we're talking about wind gusts out of the south, 15 to 25 miles an hour, gusting to 30 miles an hour. And when you look at the future humidity, it's below 20%, especially for our counties to the west. But this is kind of right up along the I-35 corridor as well. So I said this yesterday, I'm going to reiterate it today. Please do everything you can to avoid putting your community at risk for a fire spreading rapidly. This doesn't just include outdoor burning, any of those chains dragging on the back of the trucks. Those can create sparks, and of course, tossing cigarette butts outside. That is an issue as well. Now, let's get to the first alert weather day for Monday. So we're talking about showers in the morning, storms for the afternoon and evening, with large hail, damaging winds, and tornadoes all possible. We're looking at a good 1 to 3 inches of rain as well, which is good news, but it's not going to end the drought that's ongoing. So here's Futurecast. Nothing to be concerned with weather-wise as far as rain goes for Sunday night. Into Monday morning, I think we get scattered showers, maybe a couple of isolated storms, but those storms aren't severe. It's in the afternoon when the atmosphere destabilizes that I think we start to see storms firing up with large hail and tornadoes possible. Then as we get into the evening, we get that line to move through, and that's where that damaging wind threat exists across North Texas. But we're done by Tuesday, or yes, by Tuesday. So we do have that level 2 slight risk in place for the Metroplex. You've got that level 3 enhanced risk for areas a little farther to the south and to the east. And again, those main threats being the large hail and the tornado threat, along with damaging winds as well. Cooler but dry by Tuesday, and then it's smooth sailing for the rest of the week.